Here's a piece called La Torte. It's one of my first resin paintings. I still have it because I'm sort of attached to it, but you'll find it in my eBay store for what it's actually worth, market value wise. If you're interested in purchasing it, I might actually consider it. As you can see here, you'll see that there is lots of gloss and glitter in the painting, and I'll try to get closer. You'll see the sparkles. Wow. So this is an awesome piece to be displaying in your very cool condo or quaint home environment. And as well, I've had lots of interest from cake shops, cupcake shops, coffee shops, restaurants, you name it, they all want them. I am overwhelmed. I have over 200 pieces to produce, all one different from the other. And that's it. Just wanted to show you an example of what these pieces look like. And I'll show you the back.